All right, we are working on the Make It Merry quilt block of the month, which is actually coming out at one at a time. These are the fabrics that I'm using. If you order the kit through me, you get your fabrics that are labeled. You get this little cheat sheet that comes with it. Your fabric bundle looks like this. You get all that fabric in it, everything you need for the top. And everything is identified what it is. And it matches that sheet. So we have that. We are going to be working on block 7 today, which looks like this. I have already got everything cut out and it's sitting right here. And I bumped it, so some things moved. So what I have is block A and B are from Fabric 13, so A and B. C and D are from Fabric 5, C and D. E is the mint color. F is this one. Nope. F is this one. G is this one that's the next size up. Oh, wait a minute, I got things mixed up here. These are 3 different sizes. Okay, now I have to measure and figure out what they got messed up a little bit. Oh, okay. F and H are actually the same. So there's 4 of F and 2 of H, but because H is used in a different place, it just made sense for them to break it up. That goes there. Wow. So I should have that now. My math works. 4 there for F. And these are the 2 for H, but they're the same size. And then G is this one. It's a little bigger. And then my dark green is I. And these are the same size. So first thing it's having me do is take my E and my F, which are these 2, and make blocks that are a 4-patch. So we're going to make a bunch, just sets of these. Sets of all of these. I'm trying a new setup today. I don't know how this is going to work. Alright, so I'm making 2 sets, and so I thought was I chain piece them, I would just offset them. So now it's super easy to just fold, offset, you know, and bring them up. Do the same with this. We're just making 2 blocks, so when I chain pieced, super easy. However works for you. But I am going to press to the dark side. Let's see here. Dark side. And when you do it like that, where they're chain piece, it's almost impossible to not have your center perfect. I'm just going to finger press that flat. those are my 2 center blocks. So I'm just going to stick them right here on the little wall, design wall that I have right here. Next, stitch A, which is this one. Oh, I guess we need to keep these. We're building off of it. A to the right of the center unit. So it's telling me it's going to go here. And then we're going to take C, oh, this one, and it's going to go here. And then for fun, let's see what comes next. A, C, B. B is this one. A, C, B. And across the top is D. To me, this is D. Yep, I got excited. I grabbed the wrong one. This is what goes here. And the math works. That works. And then we're going to put snowball corners on with the other little grains. So I just had to see it laid out. So let's build this. H, which are, nope, H is the little square and it goes up here. This will be for the other block. And G is a bigger square and it goes over here. And they're both going to be corner to corner. And then the dark one goes down here. So there's one block, there's a second block, that's the exact corners that they go on. And I'm going to use my guide, but do it that way. Okay, and there are my 2 blocks. It came together really fast, especially with how I pieced it. These are the blocks. This is the first one I put on here. This is H, G, and I. And you only make 2 blocks, and next that's left is to square this up And I like to wait. All right, that is it for block 7.